Greetings. I hope that you're doing well even into this crypto market. Where last I was checking for Bitcoin. So into this video, I'm going to tell you the next move of Bitcoin and how you can take advantage of them with the targets that I'm going to give you. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to give you the complete targets that at which price to take entry and at which price to take exit. And the last but not least thing that I'm going to tell you is what's the meaning of this tweets of Elon Musk. What's the meaning of the tweets, right? It's not just simple images, right? There's a hidden meaning behind it, right? Which is completely related to Bitcoin, right? As it's too much obvious. But yeah, so these three things I'm going to tell you. So let's get started. So first of all, if you are following this pattern, and it's forming since 19th of May 2021. Okay, and currently, hold on, yeah, okay, let me go to 4 hour, and yeah, as you can see, in the next 12 hours, it's more likely that it's going to break out, right? But I mean, if you know at least the basics of the technical analysis, not the advanced one, but at least the basics, then you know that if the price is coming down like this, then and if the price is then going up and down into a symmetrical triangle, then most likely the price is going to go down, right? But here's a risk that I want you to be aware of, right? Millions of traders are currently knowing this symmetrical triangle, right, that is forming, right? And here the manipulation can happen by the big whales, right? Because they do have their technical analysis experts, and they are telling them this thing, right? And this can be the manipulation opportunity for the whales. I mean, they can do so, right? So how are you going to save up your money from them? It's very simple. If the BTC is going to, okay, so let me first of all tell you the targets for bullish scenario, right? Which is not most likely to happen, right? But still there's a target according to the symmetrical triangle, which is $50,000 if the BTC is going to break above. Okay, but currently the truth is truth, right? The most probably and the realistic target that I can tell that if the BTC is going to break down, then it's going to go towards $22,757. Yeah, and 76 cents. So that's the downwards target of BTC. Okay, so how are you going to take advantage of that? Here's the thing. Okay, one thing more. Currently BTC is too much volatile, and currently nothing is found. Okay, that's why I'm not taking any other entries or things like that. Okay, and I would recommend you to not take any entries, right, until BTC is stable, or if the targets that I'm telling you are showing, right, then you can take entries. But at the end of the day, I'm not a financial advisor, so I mean, it's your money, you can do anything with that, right? So my personal favorite targets to take entry is that if BTC is going to break it. First of all, if it's going to break this wick, and if the price is gonna break down from 31, then you have to alert if you are a futures trader and you want to do short, right? And then the confirmation is going to be that if the price is going to break from 30,000, then you can open up a short, okay, and keep the short open till this point, right? But you must have to know at least some basic technical analysis in order to do so, all right? And you must have to be active in order to take care of your trade, right? Because any manipulation can happen. One scenario, let me tell you real quick, that it can also happen that BTC can go a little bit down, and suddenly it can go above, and it can cross this, right? That's, I mean, a case, right? It can happen in order to liquidate the short, the people who have done the short, right, on BTC. So be aware. That's why I'm telling you to avoid this profit. I mean, if the BTC is going to break this line, But I mean, if it's going to be, if the BTC price is going to break 30,000, then you can take a short, right? So that's it. And one last thing, which I'd like to tell you, that I have told you what's the meaning of yeah, these tweets. So the meaning of these tweets is very simple. Just open up the EMA on daily. Yeah, 200 days EMA. Let me unselect it. Okay, here we go. So as this EMA showing the price of $41,320. Okay, that's the line that is separating the market from bearish to the bullish, right? In the short term, we are in a bearish market, right? But if we want to make a lot of money, and if we, I mean, how are we going to know that we currently the BTC is currently bullish? If the price is going to break it and go above, then it means that BTC is bullish, then everything is bullish, the whole crypto market is bullish, right? But how this line is relating with this tweets? It's very simple. BTCE did a breakup with this line, right? That's why the price is moving down, right? If the BTCE, I mean, start to love with this line and convincingly break it and go above, then the market is going to be bullish, and that's the complete meaning of its tweet. So I hope that you got some value out of this video, all right? And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. See you then. Till then, trade wisely.